we woke up in, no, we were in a parking lot
Up
in the northeast. Today we're going to be going out and we're going to try to climb, it's called Cloud Mountain.
You can't really see it right now, but there's like a big mountain behind that castle and it's going up into the clouds there. Yeah, you can kind of see the cliff right there. So
My finger there?
anyway, we're gonna go climb that. Let's see how fast you can go up this hill. Oh! Dude, we were ripping these Kongs today. Let's go, baby! Go! Yeah. Super extra special Irish version of Red Bull. They're only 30 cents a can. That is gonna power us. That is gonna power us up the mountain. Kong! Kong! Made it to the mountain. This thing looks really cool in real life. A lot bigger than it does from far away. This is a cool view. We finally made it where we're supposed to be. So that's where we're gonna go. Up here. And I'm psyched because there was this big ominous cloud over the top, but it left and the rain is kind of stopping a little bit. Birds are out. We might get some good weather for this. All right, we're gonna try and climb it right in this gap and then walk along the top, go up over there. This is super nice back here. The closer we get, the bigger and bigger this mountain looks.
Like, you can't even see anything out there. It doesn't even look like we're in like anywhere. Like,
I
it looks
know.
like we're like in the
This
sky.
is one of the coolest places I've ever been.
Dude, this would be such a cool sledding hill.
It would. Starting to rain a little bit, so I'm putting my camera away for now. Still, we're on our way up. All right, we made it to the top of that cliff thing that we had to climb. Now we're at the top of one of the ridges and we gotta go that way pretty far to the main cliff. So basically now we have to walk through this cloud to get all the way up to that point over there. We've had a bunch of false summits. Let's see if this is the real one. All right, go Tyler. Oh, I think it is.
No! Are you serious?
No.
You get lost up here.
1,000 feet. We keep coming across these crazy puddle things. The landscape up here is so strange. Remember when we were in Australia and we did that Instagram picture of you standing at that figure 8 pool?
Yeah, boy!
The dingo ate my baby!
Okay, I'll jump in quick.
Yeah, it's just like it. All right, now angle toward angle towards me, like that, yeah. And then, yeah, you were looking down just like that, I think.
Yeah, I'll just look it up.
Oh.
Sydney! Oh, there it is.
Looking. Okay, you memorized that?
Yeah, check out at onelifeonearth.com.
No, you weren't in the middle.
Yeah.
You are?
Almost. Right here.
Yeah, I got my angle right, I think. There it is. That's the angle we had. Nice.
Take it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so we have to cross that peak, and that's a fake peak, and then we gotta go really far that way.
Hey, this thing gives out, or if I don't make it, I'm gonna fall right into.
Oh.
I'm risking it all.
Yeah, you'll make it if you don't slip.
Here we go. This is gonna be very anticlimactic unless I fall.
I hope you fall then.
Oh! Now you gotta do it with the backpack. Risk it all. Risk it. 3, 2, 1.
It's hard because you gotta go down.
Ow!
But look, we get someone standing on that, it's gonna be super epic. Made it to the top. We're about to go over the edge for the first time. Let's see what it looks like. Tyler just gave me this piece of magic bread. What is this stuff?
Sourdough bread.
Looks like the stuff that those elves eat on that mountain. Oh, we got bad news. We got a rainstorm coming in. But I guess we're gonna try and sprint to that end as fast as we can. Yep, there it is. You can see it coming in. We're still up in the clouds. We're trying to find a faster way down. We're probably just gonna go down this hill. Well, we finished the hike. It really rained on us pretty good up there. But now we're back to our rental car, drying out, eating some chips. What do you have to say, Tyler?
Solomon, your boots are not waterproof. I will tell you that right now.
Mine are down there drying. But now that we're back here in the car, the sun's out and everything is good. We got the blue skies going, the sun's setting. I think we're gonna finish the day with a pint of Guinness. Shut the f up, Tyler!
We're gonna finish the day with a half pint of Guinness.
Let's see you have a good ending.
Okay.
Alright, end the vlog. See if you can end the vlog better than I can.
We're going to finish the day with a half pint of
Shut the hell up.
It's called Cloud Mountain.